Unlock lucrative wholesale real estate deals by leveraging the powerful features of Dealmachine. First, you need a target list. Use Dealmachine's Driving for Dollars feature to identify distressed properties directly from your phone as you drive. Simply tap to add properties that look neglected, vacant, or have signs of distress. These are often indicators of motivated sellers. Once your list is built, launch a multi-channel marketing campaign right from the platform. Choose between automated direct mail, personalized SMS messages, or even cold calling. Dealmachine makes it easy to send consistent, targeted communications that grab sellers' attention. When sellers respond, it's time to engage. Respond quickly and professionally. Use Dealmachine's built-in CRM to track conversations, take notes, and understand each seller's unique situation. Your goal here is to build trust and genuinely understand their needs. Finally, structure and close your deal. Use Dealmachine's property analysis tools to quickly run comps and determine the after-repair value. Calculate your maximum allowable offer, present a fair, win-win cash offer, and get the contract signed. Dealmachine streamlines every step to help you secure that wholesale deal. With these strategies and Dealmachine's robust platform, you're well on your way to consistently finding and closing profitable wholesale deals. Start your journey today.